Look at our beef and chicken, or chicken and beef, however you want to say it, enchiladas. Yummy. Hi, my name is Chef Fran, and today we're making enchiladas, chicken and beef enchiladas. To make our chicken and beef enchiladas, we have our yellow corn tortilla, we have our refried beans, we have some salt and pepper in here, we have some tomatoes, we have some parsley, some butter, some onions, some garlic, some shredded chicken. I already have my beef that's cooked up here, but I had seasoned my beef with some garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, chili powder, smoked paprika, parsley, and cumin, and some onions and garlic. We also have our red enchilada sauce here and a little bit of green chilies. So let's get making our enchiladas. Okay, I'm dipping my tortilla in the enchilada sauce. I'll put a little bit of black beans, or pinto beans rather. Kind of put some, just hash brown. Put some chicken, some of my shredded chicken here, and my shredded cheese. Okay. Let's just wrap it up. Get a nice hold on here. My enchilada. And pick it up and put it right here next to the other one. Then I'll do the same thing with my beef. Your hands, I feel, a lot of times are your best tools, but I'm wearing gloves because it's kind of like a little messy with the beans and everything. So I'll put my meat. I'm doing one every other. One chicken, one beef. And then put the cheese here. Okay. I'm going to kind of make sure you have a tight grip on it. Okay. And I think we can squeeze one more next to it, so it'll be the chicken. This is pinto beans. Now you can use whichever beans that you like, whichever is to your liking, but I wanted to use pinto beans, so that's what we're using. Okay. Okay. And we put our cheese. And then we hold it tight. Kind of almost like you're folding a burrito. We're going to hold it really tight. And then you pick it up. And we put it down here in the corner. Squeeze next to the other ones. I wonder if I could try to squeeze one more. I'm going to try to squeeze one more. Put a little green chilies here. Now I'm gonna try to put this on the side. See how that works out for me. Enchiladas. Okay. Now it's gonna kind of overlap. I'll make another one and it's gonna kind of overlap so that way we're even. All right. Let me get this in tight here. We're gonna put our enchilada sauce and hold this tight. So our enchilada is ready to go in the oven. I put some enchilada sauce on the top with some more of our glorious cheese. And we're gonna bake it on 375 for about 30 minutes so the cheese can melt and so the tortilla can be nice as well because the meat is already all fully cooked. And then we'll do the tasting. Our chicken and beef enchiladas has corn tortilla, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, chicken, B6, B12, niacin, ground beef, B6, B12, iron, selenium, and zinc, enchilada sauce, A, C, calcium, and iron, garlic, B6, C, manganese, and selenium, onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium, parsley, A, B, C, K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Our seasoning for our beef was Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K, oregano, EK, calcium, iron, manganese, paprika, A, B6, EK, and iron, chili powder, iron, magnesium, potassium, onion powder, B, C, calcium, iron, manganese, and potassium, garlic powder, B6, C, calcium, iron, and magnesium, cumin, A, B6, C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, Mexican cheese, A, C, and D, and green chilies, A, B, C, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper. Real facts. Recently, the United Nations has said that the war in Ukraine is causing food prices to rise globally. It is causing a shortage in grain and cooking oil. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Well, look at our chicken and beef enchiladas. I'm so excited to try. I, of course, had to put some of my guacamole here and a little bit of sour cream. And taste it here. Let's taste it. Wow. Okay, chicken. Okay, beef. You both came to play, huh? Have some of my guacamole. Everything with avocados make everything better. You get that freshness, that cool freshness of the sour cream. Yes. Chicken and beef came to play. Delish. You know, and it doesn't feel heavy with both the meats. I thought it would feel heavy, and it doesn't. So that's a nice taste. Nothing heavy. Super easy. You could do this quick. Just have your meats cooked. You can do this with vegetables too, if you don't want to have any meat. I did the corn tortilla because it's gluten-free. Not that I have celiac issue, but someone very close to me does, and she loves enchiladas, and she can't have flour, so I'm on that option. But you can use a flour tortilla, of course. And there's one that's a mix that has them both. So anyway, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing for you. It allows me to go back to my thinking lab and think about what else can I create for you. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, where I welcome you with open arms and great big hug. And also, share this channel with your family and friends. And subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. I thank you for hanging out with me today, eating virtually. And you too can eat this next time physically like I did today. But comment below and let me know how you made it when you do get to eat it physically. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate your time. Love you guys.